Okay, so this is a slightly different problem involving the mean. We've now been given the mean, but we know that a value is missing from our data set, and we need to work out what that value is. Now that's really straightforward because we know how to work out the mean, so we have enough information to be able to use what we have to calculate the missing number. So we know to work out the mean, we have to add all these together, all the values together. So we have an unknown, which we're adding 0 to, 5 to, 3 to, and 1 to. Okay? And then we would divide that number by all the number of values within our data set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that must equal 3 because we know that our mean is 3. So now it's a simple case of rearranging this so that we can isolate the unknown value. So to get the 5 up from underneath, from dividing, we need to do the inverse of dividing to get it to the opposite side. So we need to times the opposite side, and that would then cancel it out. So we now know all of these values added together equals 15. So we now want to get our unknown zone. Just have a quick think about how you might do that. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to get these numbers across to the other side. Now it's probably going to be easier to add them up together and then take them away altogether rather than taking away or taking away the 3, because that is the inverse of adding the 3. So if we added them all together, so something add, well, nothing add 5 is 5, add 3 is 8, add 1 is 9. So something add 9 equals 15. So now to take that across to the other side, we need to do the inverse. So something, they cancel out, equals 15 take away 9. So that gives 6. So we now know our unknown value is 6. But we can check if that's right or not because we can put it back into our data set. So we would have 6, 0, 5, 3, and 1. So if we add them all together, so that equals 6, add nothing is 6, add 5 is 11, add 3 is 14, add 1 is 15. And then we need to divide it by however many numbers are in our data set. So we need to divide that by 5, and that gives us a mean of 3. So we know that we have worked out the correct answer.